Oh my God, help. There are aliens. They are abducting people.
Is this a human from Earth? They look so weak.
We need to capture more humans from Earth to bring back for research and experimentation. There are too few here.
Take them and lock them up. Don't let them escape.
An unidentified flying object is approaching Earth. It's shaped like a giant flying saucer.
Transmit this to the government immediately. The object is massive, saucer-shaped, and heading straight for Earth. Until we know its intent, we must prepare for every possibility.
Let me connect with the government.
Hello, this is the government office speaking.
We are calling from NASA. An unidentified flying object, resembling a saucer, is approaching Earth. Its unprecedented size could cause unpredictable consequences if it enters the atmosphere.
Copy that. We're escalating this to the highest level. Stay on the line. The President will be briefed immediately.
If this really is an intelligent craft, then we may be witnessing first contact.
Ladies and gentlemen, we've just received confirmation. A massive unidentified object is entering Earth's atmosphere.
Mr. President, we need to scramble the Air Force immediately. Fighters in the sky within minutes.
With respect, General, if this is intelligent life, a military response could be seen as an act of war.
Sir, the public will know soon. Do we alert the people or keep this classified?
Prepare for both. Issue a silent nationwide alert and have contingency plans ready for contact or for combat.
All units. DEFCON 2. Repeat. DEFCON 2. This is not a drill.
No. Help me. They're pulling me up.
Help! Is anyone there? Please save us.
Mom, Dad, there's a flying saucer behind us chasing us.
Oh my God, it's pulling everything into the sky. It seems like it's trying to chase us. Step on it, hurry.
What the hell are you guys?
Enough pretending. Can't you see we are aliens and your worst nightmare? We came here to study, to experiment, and to conquer. You humans are weak, fragile, and now you belong to us.
You may be powerful, but we won't be conquered so easily. We'd rather die than become your test subjects. Run, Liya! Run, Alex! You two must get away. These aliens are too strong. Your parents can't fight them off.
It's useless. No one escapes us.
Run. Hurry, get out of here. I can only hold them off for a little while.
Die, you bastards.
Oh my God. What the hell is that thing? Yeah. I can't believe we were knocked down by those weak earthlings. Chase them now.
Yes, I'm here on Main Street, and as you can see behind me, the massive saucer-shaped object is hovering above the city. It's enormous, larger than a football stadium. The craft is emitting strange lights, and people are panicking in the streets. Wait. There's a loud humming noise now. The UFO is releasing beams of light. Oh my God, they're pulling people upward. Authorities are urging everyone to stay indoors and remain calm, but right now, downtown is in chaos. This is unlike anything we've ever witnessed. Stay safe out there. We'll continue bringing you live updates as this extraordinary event unfolds.
Aliens, aliens. Everyone, run.
There are so many humans here. Plenty for us to capture and crush.
Leave our Earth now, or we'll open fire.
You will pay for daring to challenge us.
Earthlings' weapons are so weak, it's like they're just scratching an itch for us. Ha ha ha. Is that their aircraft? Their technology is so backward, they can keep firing at our flying ships and it won't hurt us. They'll be destroyed soon.
Their plane has crashed. It's going down.
Everyone, listen carefully. Immediately evacuate this area using the nearest exit. Help one another take important documents and belongings if you can. Move quickly to the designated assembly point and do not return until authorities declare it safe. All civilians evacuate immediately. This area is dangerous.
Form the barricades. Don't let them advance into the city.
All units, open fire. Take them down now.
Targets right above me, fire the artillery. Launch the missiles. Push harder, we need to take them down as fast as possible.
Alex, don't let go of my hand. We're going to get out of here.
Liya, I'm scared. I don't want to die.
You won't die. I promise I'll protect you until the end.
Are you sure, Liya? They're too strong.
We're family. I'll never abandon you.
I trust you, Liya.
Liya, Alex, come here to Mom and Dad quickly.
Mom, Dad, save Alex. Someone please help. My nephew has been sucked up into an alien flying saucer. Hit subscribe to follow our new videos every day.